Welcome to the Elevator World News Podcast. This week's news podcast is sponsored by elevatorbooks.com.
From educational programs and books to unique gift ideas and more, the only website you need is elevatorbooks.com. This site offers books and materials on maintenance, safety, history, legal issues, technology, and more. Start browsing today at elevatorbooks.com.
This is your daily industry news update for December 11th, 2017. In today's news, Ziehl-Abegg says 2017 was a record year. Royal Caribbean is testing a seagoing destination dispatch system. An Australian residential high-rise has been designed with wind in mind, and plans for a Chicago office tower have hit an unexpected snag.
Ziehl-Abegg, a Künzelsau, Germany-based manufacturer of electric motors and fans for elevators and other applications, announced on December 7th that the company had already surpassed its annual sales record, fueled by demand for its energy-saving devices. CEO Peter Fenkl said that by the end of the year, the company was expecting to reach sales of 530 million euros, or 624 million US dollars, a 10% increase over 2016. Ziehl-Abegg employs 2,000 people at its production plants in Germany and has a global workforce of 3,550 people spread across 16 production plants, 27 companies, and 97 sales locations. Its products are sold in more than 100 countries.
Royal Caribbean International is testing a destination dispatching system on the KONE elevators aboard the world's largest cruise ship, Harmony of the Seas, Travel Pulse reports. If the tests go well, the system may be installed in the Symphony of the Seas, set for launch in April 2018, and could be retrofitted to other Royal Caribbean vessels, the source said. The KONE Polaris touchscreen system will operate similarly to land-based destination control systems in that it allows riders to choose their destination from the lobby panel, then directs them to the elevator that gives the quickest transit to that destination. It will be more complicated on the ship, however, because some of the elevators have multiple entrances. If Royal Caribbean adopts the system, it would be the first cruise line equipped with destination dispatching, the source said.
The Gold Coast City Council in Australia has approved a 165-meter-tall beachfront residential tower on Wharf Road in Broadbeach, being developed by Golden Gate Property Group and designed by Roth Lohman, the Council on Tall Buildings and Urban Habitat reports. It includes 35 full-floor residences, a 2-story sub-penthouse, and a 3-story penthouse. Its slender 12-meter-wide parametric design is a response to wind and structural requirements. Roth Lohman Associate Principal Jonathan Cowell stated, quote, "The exoskeleton design meant we could cross-brace the building externally via a diagrid, which enabled us to open up the facade and create a truly 3D building with windows on all sides and enough asymmetries to mitigate prevailing winds," end quote.
Chicago's Riverside Investment and Development and Dallas-based Howard Hughes Corporation have hit an unexpected, highly unusual snag in their plan to build a 51-story office tower at 110 North Wacker Drive in Chicago, the Chicago Tribune reports. At issue is a notice to developers from the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers that a 5-story mid-century modern office building on the site is, quote, architecturally significant, end quote, and that demolishing it could have an adverse effect on its surroundings. The Corps is seeking public input through December 14th and plan to meet the next day with developers to craft a mitigation agreement. For more industry-related information, visit elevatorworld.com and be sure to subscribe to our podcast in iTunes or the Google Play Store. If you're interested in becoming a sponsor of the Elevator World News Podcast, just let us know by emailing advertising@elevatorworld.com.